Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an incredible building set that's perfect for kids, teens, and LEGO fans alike, the LEGO Friends Andrea's Modern Mansion Dollhouse. Before we jump into all the details, don't forget to check out the link below for the best price on the LEGO Friends Andrea's Modern Mansion Dollhouse. You don't want to miss out on this awesome gift. Build your dream mansion. This LEGO Friends Andrea's Modern Mansion Dollhouse set is designed for builders aged 14+, offering a fantastic challenge with its 4-story design. Whether you're a seasoned builder or just getting started, this set offers a rewarding and fun experience as you create your dream home piece by piece. From the living room to the rooftop garden, every level is packed with realistic details that will make your creation come to life. Includes 11 unique characters. One of the best things about this set is that it includes 11 characters, including Andrea, the star of the Friends series. These characters are designed with amazing attention to detail, so you can recreate all kinds of fun scenarios and stories as you build and play with your mansion. Whether you want to create a cozy hangout scene or a luxurious party, these minifigures will bring all your creative ideas to life. Amazing features for creative play. This 4-story toy house isn't just a static display piece. It's designed for interactive play. You'll find a range of fun features, like a modern kitchen, a spacious living room, and even a rooftop garden for Andrea to hang out with friends. The set includes plenty of accessories, so you can customize the house to your liking and create different scenarios with the characters. It's perfect for sparking your imagination and telling unique stories. Perfect gift for kids and teens. If you're looking for a special gift for a birthday, holiday, or just because, the LEGO Friends Andrea's Modern Mansion is an amazing choice. With its engaging building process and fun play features, it's a gift that's sure to provide hours of entertainment. Whether they're new to LEGO or seasoned builders, this set offers something for everyone. It's a great way to encourage creativity, fine motor skills, and imaginative play for kids and teens alike. High-quality design. As with all LEGO products, the LEGO Friends Andrea's Modern Mansion set is made with high-quality materials that ensure durability and an easy building experience. The pieces fit together perfectly, and the design allows for easy disassembly and reconfiguration, so you can change things up whenever you feel like it. This set is built to last and will continue to provide fun for years to come. Final thoughts. To sum it up, the LEGO Friends Andrea's Modern Mansion Dollhouse is a fantastic set for anyone who loves building, creative play, and storytelling. With its 4-story mansion, 11 minifigures, and incredible accessories, it offers endless opportunities for fun and imagination. Whether you're a LEGO fan or looking for the perfect gift for someone special, this set is sure to impress. Don't forget to grab your set at the best price by clicking the link below. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know your favorite part of this set or what other LEGO sets you'd like to see next. I'll see you in the next review.